Hello, my beautiful girls and handsome boys. So, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, welcome to my channel, Computer Science Project, or you can say FANA project, or you can say Fan Technologies. So, we have come with a new project that is Image Recognition System project. So, in this project, I am going to explain you what is this project, how to implement or run this project, and what to do if you get some error. So before this, I want you to request one single thing. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and like this video. So now let's start it. So image recognition system, as the name says, it is same image identification system to identify the image. This is the machine learning kind of project, but this is a particularly deep learning project. I image recognition system using a deep learning system. Okay, deep learning algorithm. In the deep learning algorithms, we are using TensorFlow and that also Keras. Okay, so now let's start it. So if you don't know how we have run this project, what is this project? So before that, I want you to go through Google and search it Google Notebook, a Google Colab notebook. So what is this? So this is same like a place where you can run your Python code, Python program. Okay, so it's same like a Jupyter notebook, but it is a online. It easy to use. You can click on share and share with your friends and the teacher and whatever you have. So before this, I want you to take you through the code. So now let's go to the code. So if you don't know how to open, so you can first of all message me, mail me, reach out to me, call me, and take the project from me. Okay. After that, what you have to do, you have to search Google Colab and search the first link. Okay, and then what you have to do, wait a second, you have to click on upload. You have to upload the ipynb file or notebook file. The file name is ipynb file. So when you will upload, it will come like this. Okay, it will come like this. So this will be the code. One second, this will be the code. So what you have to do, you have to click on here to run like this. If not, you have to shift plus return. Okay, so when you will do, it will take some time and it will run like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and so as of now we are taking few labels like plane, cat, car, bird, cat, deer, frog, horse, boat, and truck. So like this. Okay, then this. Okay, so you have to run block by block, block by block. Okay, so like this. Okay, I hope you're getting like this. Okay, so again like this. Okay, so when you will do, so at one time you will get a model dot fit which we have to run as like epoch. I have given 11. So try to give more than 11, 20, 50, 100. As you give the more number, it train and test for that time again and again. Okay, so in deep learning, as the number of times you do, your accuracy, your prediction get improved as the number of times you do. So as of now, I have done 11 for taking the less time. Even if you want, you can put 1, but accuracy will be less. But you can see that one time we got 57%, the second time, four times 73, but 11 time means as the number of times you go, your accuracy, your prediction will good. So as of now, like if you want a suggestion from me, take at least 20, because keep your prediction level at least about 95 to 97%. So when you will give an image, it will give you correct. So here as example, now how to upload your image. Okay, how to upload the image. So first of all, you have to click on here, 1 2 3 4 5. Click on here. So it will be like this. Okay, click on here. So this will go file or it's a folder. You have to click here, and when you will click here and you have to select any photo. Suppose that I select like this. Okay, so when you will select, suppose that you get a suppose my image name was closer fruit the whatever. So click on here, rename, and you can do as a like whatever you want. You can do as a plain jpg, bird dot jpg, or you can put like png. Okay, so whatever you give, you just do here, so it will come as like this. And if you will click on here, so you can see a bird came. Okay, so same as that. So when you will do, then this. So suppose that I have put the horse one. Okay, so horse.png like this. So you can see I got this horse. Okay, try to put only PNG and JPG image, but I will say you to prefer PNG because PNGs you can say standard image or good or HD image also. So you can go to a PNG image download sites or websites which have PNGs. You can just right click on it and download those image, and then you can put it here, and then you can run. So when you will run, you will get that images horse. Second, I have taken example of car.png. When you will run, so then again you will get a car with the likelihood of 1. So this is your project. Now I will explain in very simple flow. So this is the image recognition system. Means we have to identify the image, that what kind of image it is, like vehicles, bird, animals, human, whatever it is. Now then, first we have used TensorFlow, specifically Keras. We have run it. Then this, suppose that you get any some kind of error, just copy that error, paste it on Google. You will get the solution. Put it on the first code or first line on top of it. If you not, you can ask me and I will reply. So then run it, run it, run it. So come here and then you will get the result. Now I will explain you something. So in this we are importing some keras libraries, we are taking some labels. Okay, and I will tell you from where we are doing. So as of now we are importing from cipher 10. Okay, so what is this cipher 10? Okay, so if you will copy this and paste it here. Okay, so it is you can say collection of images. One second, let me show you. Collection of images that are commonly used to train machine learning computer vision algorithm. So when I will click on this, you will see lots of different type of images. You will see bird, animals, mountains, and all those, like, okay. So same as that, we are using that, you can say a library. Okay, and after that again we are just simply analyzing, and we are trying to do analysis, which you can say exploratory data analysis. Okay, then we are doing training and testing, simple. And after that we are applying machine deep learning algorithm, and then we are training for, you can say, as many time you want to do. And then we are giving as a input, you can say, as a horse, but don't forget to upload that image, horse, car, whatever you want to put. You want to put for third image, fourth image, fifth image, you can put it. So this was the you can say work, which you can say image recognition system for a deep learning process, a image recognition system for some images. So if you have any doubt, you may ask. If you don't have any doubts, no need to ask. Okay, if you need this file, come to us, we will give you the files. And one thing you have to do, there is one of the greatest site mankind know, that is funnelproject.in. So even if you have any need, any queries, you need some machine learning project, deep learning projects, cryptography, blockchain, cybersecurity, whatever you need, you can ping us, ping through WhatsApp, okay, or mail, or put your inquiry. If not, you can put your inquiry here. We will contact you. Okay, if not, you can call, you can message, you can WhatsApp us. We will make the project and give it to you. Okay, if you, even if you have new requirement, suppose that if you want some ready-made projects, you can go to our site, you can go to our YouTube channel, and you will be like awestruck, flabbergasted, and surprised that we have lots of projects, lots of machine learning, data science, cryptography, blockchain, and we have helped more than 5,000 students all over the world. Yes, am I right? Yes, we are right. So if not, you can let us know your idea, we will make it for you. So I hope you like this project. I hope you like our work. So don't forget to contact us. We are ready to help you out. Okay. Thank you so much. I wish you the best. I hope you understand this project.